Question. Motivation theory X and theory Y is developed by options A. Herzberg, option B. MC Gregor, option C. Victor Room, option D. None. Answer option B. MC Gregor. Capital reduction account is used in the case of option A. Internal reconstruction, option B. External reconstruction, option C. Amalgamation of companies, option D. Absorption of one company by another. Answer option A. Internal reconstruction. Committee of Reforms in Insurance Sector during 1993 was headed by options A. P. Chidambaram, option B. Manmohan Singh, option C. Narasimham, option D. R. N. Malhotra. Answer option D. R. N. Malhotra. For calculating market value using PE ratio, it is necessary to know options A. Rate of dividend, option B. Average profit, option C. Earnings per share, option D. Super profits. Answer option C. Earnings per share. Next question. A bank which is included in the second schedule of Reserve Bank of India Act, option A. Scheduled bank, option B. Non-scheduled bank, option C. State cooperative bank, option D. Central cooperative bank. Answer option A. Scheduled bank. Transfer of funds from one source to another through electronic media. Option A. ECS, option B. Telebanking, option C. RTES, option D. EFT. Answer option D. EFT. Position of imports and exports of a country as against other countries. Options A. Balance of payments, option B. Balance of trade, option C. Terms of trade, option D. Dumping. Answer option B. Balance of trade. The objectives of companies are given in the options A. Articles of Association, option B. Prospectus, option C. Memorandum of Association, option D. Subsidiary rules. Answer option C. Memorandum of Association. Next question. Depletion method of depreciation is mostly useful in the case of options A. Livestock, option B. Loose tools, option C. Mines, option D. None of these. Answer option C. Mines. Question. Budget is a option A. Plan of operation, option B. Statement of probable events, option C. Collection of historical financial data, option D. None of these. Answer option A. Plan of operation. Functional level strategy is also known as options A. Corporate level strategy, option B. Operating level strategy, option C. Business level strategy, option D. All of these. Answer option B. Operating level strategy. A dollar denominated instrument tradable of stock exchange in Europe. Options A. FRB, option B. EDR, option C. FCCB, option D. GDR. Answer option D. GDR. Question. AS6 relates to option A. Accounting policies, option B. Valuation of inventories, option C. Depreciation accounting, option D. Contingencies. Answer option C. Depreciation accounting. Question. The insurance effected by an insurance company with another insurance company. Option A. Reinsurance, option B. Double insurance, option C. Multiple insurance, option D. None of these. Answer option A. Reinsurance. Statutory reserve is a compulsory reserve kept under Banking Regulation Act as per section option A 9, option B 15, option C 18, option D 17. Answer option D 17. Offering ESOS to employees requires option A resolution by the board, option B ordinary resolution, option C special resolution in general meeting by the shareholders, option D permission from SEBI. Answer option C special resolution in the general meeting by the shareholders. Statutory report is necessary in the case of options A public limited companies, option B FERA companies, option C foreign companies, option D private limited companies. Answer option A public limited companies. Question: preliminary expenses is an example of options A current asset, option B tangible asset, option C prepaid expenses, option D fictitious asset. Answer option D fictitious asset. The first credit rating agency in India is option A ICRA, option B CRISIL, option C CARE, option D ICSA. Answer option B CRISIL. Question: Accounting Standard Board in India was constituted on options A June 1977, option B January 1978, option C April 1977, option D none of these. Answer option C April 1977.